the fuck? Is this on?
화장실 갔다 와도 돼? 못생긴 거 같아. 진짜 짜증나.
어쩔 수 없어. Would you like a mint?
Yes, please. It's so crunchy.
You're not supposed to.
Oh!
This is Jinho.
Hi guys.
여기야.
Bella.
We met at my Filipino tryotica thing in Lucky
Chinatown.
Yeah.
Divisoria.
That flop of an event. I'm just kidding. Actually, I'm not kidding because it was. Because that day there was like a fucking one-on-one.
아 맞다. What's your favorite Beyonce song?
That one. I don't listen to Beyonce.
Beehives! Subscribe. So guys, I'm a singer, but not here.
But not
obviously, they're like, how the fuck does that become a singer? I'm a singer in like Philippines. I grew up there,
but
and you know, like, yeah. Just so you guys know, I came late than the promised time because I was stupid enough to ride at the opposite train. He's more Korean than I am, and I'm more Filipino than he is. So you should understand that, man. Like you try to find my house in Philippines, I
will never find.
You will never.
I got a lot of Sonny Park things because I went to the office yesterday and they were like,
yes,
Edward, take these. So I got a bunch of, oh my god, the legendary beauty water. 이거 알지?
아니?
I feel like me and Joan talked so much about this like back in the day.
Beauty water?
Cleansing water, but they're supposed to be like exfoliating ingredients and also it's moisturizing.
That's what they all say.
맞아? 어머
갑자기. Yeah. But then there's so much stuff, so organizing isn't just
맞아.
useless.
You are going nowhere today. Apparently I was like, ooh, where's she going today? And you're like, I have nowhere to go.
I'm just meeting my friends, and you know, when you meet your friends like in a long time, you want to look back.
What the fuck is pak?
Pak is like a Filipino term. Obviously, you don't know.
You need to like re-educate because I'm fucking like I know, right? Everything.
Pak is like pak, ganun. You have a lot of Filipino viewers, you know. Like all my friends watch you, even guys. They told me you're funny. Like they don't even do makeup. It's like, yeah, I know that guy who you took photo with. I'm like, where did you meet him? I'm like, Lucky Chinatown. He was like, is he like a Singaporean or something? I'm like, no, he's actually Filipino.
Singaporean?
Yeah, they thought you were like Singaporean, like Malaysian, Thai and stuff.
Thai?
Yeah.
You mean Thai?
Thai.
We're gonna start in the makeup. We'll start with base though. This is the Beauty Filter Cream Glow. See, look at that. I'm so like, beauty guru. Yes, moisture. And here you are. I know.
They're probably like, that's the noisiest guess he ever had in all your videos. So very entertaining. Oh, this one's 뭐야?
This is just so that your makeup doesn't look dry.
Wow.
You know Friday uses this. And I think it's also supposed to fill in pores.
He's legit slapping.
아니야. That's the Edward Avila experience.
The truth of Edward.
Can you tell me more about like what is it you do like on a day? Like what's a normal day for you in the Philippines?
Well, I eat, I shit.
I think it's so like cool that you can speak Filipino, Korean, and English.
If I speak Filipino here, will your like viewers understand? No.
No, I can probably put subtitles.
Uy, marunong ka mag-subtitle. Naks naman. Tagalog naman tayo
I feel like I'm like
dito.
talking to my mom.
Uy! Mga kapwa kong Pinoy, sigaw naman Jinho!
What you can do this for your lips.
Oh, my face is so swollen. I had like 3 hours of sleep.
Why? What were you doing? Acting like I actually care. Oh, what's wrong?
진짜 너무하는 거 아니야, 이거.
What were you doing up so late?
I was watching stuff. But do you speak in Tagalog with your parents?
Not anymore. I forgot everything.
Liar!
No, they speak to me in English.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I understand it, but...
I have a lot of friends. They're still in the Philippines, but they don't speak Tagalog at all. I hate my brows so much. Like, they're so chakchagi, you get it? Like, this one's so round. This one's like so... And this one's like... Gotta blame mom. I heard that this was a trend, but when I wore this, I look like fucking Yakuza. Guys, like, who would have thought? You know, I watched his channel for like, this Kuya's channel for like, I don't know.
This Kuya's channel. How old are you?
So I'm like 23.
You're a fucking baby.
I watched your channel like, for I think about 3 years.
Jesus Christ.
At first, I started because I wanted to watch like skincare because I really have like an acne prone skin. And the next thing you know, I don't really care about what products you use. I just want to hear you rant about stuff.
I know, I get that a lot.
I know, right?
Like, I'll do that right now, so just doing less talking about product. But then people will be like, I miss the skincare. So then I'm just like,
와 진짜 이쁘게 잘했다. 오.
alright, let me use some color corrector on your face, the BTS one.
Did you see my bag?
They call me idol.
It's artist first.
Mian, fake
Armies come for him.
Please come for me, get me views.
Guys, subscribe to my channel too. Oh, plug. Guys, ako rin, subscribe niyo ako.
I'm not gonna link that down below. You're telling me how before you're just doing stuff in English, but nobody really cared.
Yeah.
And then your thing was like, you're a Korean, I speak Filipino.
Yeah,
And
like I wanted to act like I'm like a regular YouTuber where I can speak in English and arte all that. Arte is like you trying to be sassy and all, and
Ara.
I don't know, like trying to look like you're professional and stuff.
Right.
But you know that wasn't my thing.
It's
I was
like
like
me, like Chris Aquino's whole channel. Love that. Like she's like my idol.
God, Mimi! I am so.
That one video where they were like, it was obviously sponsored by that mattress company.
This is so comfortable, no. I know you guys are probably thinking, I thought you're a singer, now you do YouTube. You know that's how it is in Philippines. You should be like all around, just like.
Oh yeah, they make you do everything.
Yeah, just like here, when you're an idol, you should know how to act. You should know how to dance and like post. Like you have to learn how to, you know, like a modeling and stuff.
Yeah.
Just like.
Because I was always so weird to me when I used to watch ABS-CBN religiously back then. And it was weird because like someone would win like Pinoy Big Brother, which is literally just a game show where people are stuck in a house. And the next thing you know, they're on fucking like ASAP, like dancing. I'm
like
"Bro, what are
red
you-"
carpet and stuff. Like,
I actually auditioned for it.
Oh really?
Yeah, but I
Like
flopped.
back when?
The one after Ryan season. I
Oh,
think.
진짜? Is this the CLIO one you
This
you told me to buy?
is Sonnen Park.
Oh, Sonnen Park. So like I was asking Kuya Edward all this stuff of you buy your own makeup and stuff, and he told me he does. Well, I knew that, man. I just had to double check if this YouTuber is like,
If I'm legit, if I'm
Yeah.
not a fucking liar.
you know, like if he's Jake Paul or something. Like you don't have to be a person who's into like makeup to watch your channel. To be honest,
Oh, you
like
think so?
person like me, like I watch regardless of what your content is.
Oh,
As long as the person is.
As long as that.
That's why I watch a lot of beauty gurus. Not because
Same.
I want to follow their makeup, but they're
Right.
so freaking entertaining.
Yeah.
They're like, ooh, popcorn. Who's fighting who now?
Okay. That's why I think a lot of people don't really do tutorials anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
It's more like
talk time and
talking
stuff.
ones, yeah.
It's almost like get ready with me, but then I'll tell you what's happening in my life, who I'm arguing with, who I'm fighting with, who I'm about to kill and stuff.
Who I'm about? Yes, relatable.
Murder. But you don't have like beef with anyone, right? Or do you?
You would be surprised.
Oh! I also started watching
Man,
Oh.
That's-
He's so good in English. Like what the hell?
he not grew up, but he went to school in Australia and the UK, I think.
Yeah, but from what I heard, if I'm not mistaken, like for only like a short period of time.
Oh, right.
So I was like, damn. He like the rap mon with like, you know.
He like the rap money that I need.
You don't know how old he is.
That I'm not even exactly sure. His exact age, I just know he's younger than me.
Like for you, it's either younger or older.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
When it comes to Koreans, you have to like know everything about everyone.
Well, but that's the thing. That's something I hate. Like honestly, I'm sorry, but like I know you guys are saying, but you have freaking Korea. I'm like, yeah, but I grew up in the Philippines, but like for Koreans, like one age gap is a big deal.
You
I
look
used
like
to-
Juhan in a way. Has anyone ever told you that? You have like the similar lips.
원사이즈 주원 겁나 많이 그랬어.
Oh, I think I remember what I was gonna say. We were talking about how foundation, the concealer here. But we were talking about how there's some people that have acne here, so that like technique doesn't count for you.
Me, like my scars, it's the scars. It's somehow good and bad, because
What?
the good thing is it's not bulging,
Oh, true.
but then the bad thing is like it doesn't fade away.
But then when you're under certain lighting, like the
Yeah.
yellow lighting that's like right above you,
I know,
it looks
like-
so bad.
Oh my god, did you see the Thomas and Jeffrey? Everything?
Oh my god, that
That
was
was, like,
fucking wild. I can think of a few YouTubers that are like that, where they're like, they get a lot of followers from the fact that they're negative, but people will label as honest. But then all they do is complain.
Yeah, there's like a fine line between being a
Honest
hater and honest. Like,
But then there's the ones that are,
Some
I
are,
feel
like,
like,
so
are just
misleading.
negative, just to
Yeah.
be negative.
and then when people come for them, they're gonna be like, oh, I have anxiety issue and stuff. Like, I'm freaking sick of mental health, guys, because I'm a psychology graduate. I know you're probably thinking, what? Like, you didn't
so
know
random.
that either.
That is so
Yeah,
random.
I'm a psychology graduate. Like, when I met patients for my OJT, yes, guys, I went to OJT.
Hey.
Like, 실습, I went to mental hospital. I had to interview like people who are handcuffed and stuff.
Is it just me? I feel like everyone's blaming everything on like mental health.
I know. I think that's just like a excuse, like a trending excuse. We've learned that everyone is ill. Ang tawag dyan?
Ang tawag dyan.
Like it's just a scale. Like you're just like level 8. But like most of the people are like steady in level 5, let's say. Everyone has those basic anxiety and stuff. It's just people tend to use that excuse. I feel so anxious, my heart is palpitating. Bitch, because you're guilty. That's it. When you were young, when you're called to like principal's office, you feel anxious. That doesn't mean you're mentally ill. Come on. You know? You just you were caught red-handed. That's why you're nervous, you're anxious and stuff. But I'm not gonna say, because you know I don't know their life, but that's the thing.
Right.
I think everyone is trying to use that excuse, like I have anxiety issue, I have a blah blah. Like at some point,
that's why I thought it was a little weird.
Yeah,
to
everyone's like lonely and stuff. So guys, don't make that as an excuse to attack others.
Southern Park shading shit. So I'm gonna start here. I'm just gonna give it.
God, I look so flawless. Like when people do my nose contour, like even though if they like the smallest amount, it looks like
a lot.
It's overly done, like on my nose, because I have beburiko.
Like a what?
Like meburi, you know, where there's like bulge on the middle. You call that meburi. Can you suggest me?
What?
Like, you know, for retouch wise, because like after I like wipe my sweat and stuff, you know, there's like patches that peels off.
If I know I'm gonna have to retouch, I don't powder that area. That way later on, at least the base will still be moist, so you can take the new foundation and touch up on top. Or honestly, like in worst case scenarios, I wipe that area off and then just go over it again with foundation, because sometimes
Where are my notes?
Girl, just watch the video over again.
Whoa! Look at the look at the screen. Wow.
I only put a little bit. Whenever you turn your head, you get that little bit of. You really look like Juhon. Like I'm kind of shook. There's this other guy. I don't know if you've ever seen it. He's like this Asian guy. I think he's from Canada. He used to have really long hair, and they cut it all off. In the video, I was like, "You kind of look like Jungkook." Oh my god.
Nang hihinayang. That's my song, guys.
Oh, is that your single?
Yeah. Nang hihinayang ang puso ko.
Etude House has a new palette. The what is it called? The
Play Color Eyes.
Caffeine Holic.
Yes.
No sugar. And this is like honestly an upgrade from all their older palettes, because I would always say, oh, their palettes are just okay. Their single shadows are really good, but the bitch stepped it up, and this is almost like Anastasia level. A little. I don't want to get too crazy.
Yeah.
I think I want to stick. Anyway, it's all gonna look the same anyway.
I have this friend who's like a super fan of you. Like 2 girls, they're like into makeup. They love you. So like basically they're into K-pop as well, and they're like makeup holic. And like when they saw my story, like I was meeting you, they're like, Jinho, ba't di mo sinabi? I was like, girl, I didn't go there to meet Edward. Like when I was there, you had like a what did you do on stage? Like a
little skincare show thing.
Yeah, and like the organizer was like, oh, you got your performance is like after Edward Avila's. I'm like, excuse me? I'm like, you mean the YouTube Edward Avila? The organizer was like, yeah. I'm like, he's supposed to be in Korea, right? I was like, no, but he's here. We invited him over. I'm like, is he gone? And he's like, no, he's actually he's almost done. He's just taking a break. Like before heading to the hotel, I was like, can I take a photo with him?
Joanne.
I thought he'd be snob and stuff, which I don't really care.
Really?
I honestly don't care if you're a snob or not. Like, no, like, because I understand. Sometimes, you know, you just don't want to feel like you're being used and stuff at this platform, the industry. So, like, I kind of get it. Like, if you don't want to believe that I'm like genuinely your fan, like I watch your videos, then fine. Like, you can go home and take a rest.
I'm just
No, I don't want to miss a chance. Like, you're right there. Like, 언제 만나겠어? 그래서 I told the organizer, like, am I allowed Is he tired? If he's tired, he can go to the hotel.
I
was literally like that. He's like,
Chateau.
oh, he's down for it. I was like, oh really? And then like him and his like staff came. He was so kind, and his staff like gave me like, you want a cushion? I'm like, oh. I was like, oh. Think all that.
Leftovers.
I kind of got tired of makeup.
Really?
Like, I wanted my face to rest.
You got tired when you started to get more bookings?
Yeah, because like
Love that.
it's tiring. Like
Yeah.
before, makeup was like a something like, okay, time to look good today and stuff. But now it's like, oh, when I hold makeup, it feels like, oh, work time. So
really?
maybe that's why. The reason why I don't usually use cushions, like Korean cushions, is because they're so watery and stuff. And you guys, if you guys know Philippines, like it's humid.
Honey.
Like there's no like dust and everywhere in the Philippines because like the air is wet, you know.
Yeah.
Like there's no room for dust to like fly around. So like whenever I wear cushions like CCs and stuff, it melts down along with the sweat. That's why, you know, unless it's mattifying, I won't like it. But then his was like dikit na dikit sa mukha.
Dikit na.
Like, you know, butiki? It was like
But for your lips, I don't know what I want to do. I still have to do your hair. Let's see. Use this one.
아, 나 비포 앤 애프터 너무 다른데.
아 그래?
아, 나 머리 어떡해. 아,
How do you do your hair usually?
I don't do anything. These days I do like I curl it like this.
Japanese
Like
style?
Yeah, kind of. Like, legit, like today's video is like Japanese yakuza style.
Actually, your hair kind of looks like you kind of look like some, you know.
Yeah, I want that hair.
But what did you do? Like last year, everyone had like the mullet, and that was kind of disgusting to be honest. But
I know, but like in
YOLO.
Philippines, it's unique. That's why.
actually, I mean, it looks.
Shouldn't you do it outwards?
See, look, without the back, the mullet part, 훨씬 나.
그래, just let it. I don't know. Oh my god!
This is like literally me at that girl, me doing her hair. I was like,
Can you say hi to Kimmy and Donna?
Kimmy and Donna.
Yeah, Kimmy and Donna.
Kimmy and Donna.
They're like
Okay.
your fan.
You're about to say number one.
But you know, I don't want to say it because like.
I'm the number one. Oh my God, Mariah, is that you?
You got me feeling emotion high up in the heavens above. I'm in love, I'm alive, intoxicated fire. Leaves Wingardium Leviosa. 오, 쉼표머리도 할 줄 아네? 나 이런 머리 처음 해봐.
Honestly, I just do that.
This to all guys.
What I just did with the flat iron, and then I just like.
Who's your favorite singer, pop singer?
Ariana Grande. 다 되는 거 같은데?
Yay!
Team Jeffree Star for a second.
She does.
어때요?
난 좋아요. Do you guys like it? If you guys like it, please comment down below.
미치. Smash that like button. Destroy that that bell. Anyway, I'll visit you in the Philippines again.
So busy, eh?
Now I'm okay. In
Like-
the summer, I was just super busy with KCON and all those events.
I know, right? Please invite me.
Okay.
I'll be your like water boy.
What?
Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.